Hi friends, today we will study Gay-Lussac's law. In that, the scientist Joseph is talking about the gases in which the volumes, he is counting the volumes, that the reactant and the product, its volume is equal. See, when two or more gases combine together, it gives a product. Then they do so in the volumes, which will bear a simple ratio in one reactant to another reactant and product provided. All the gases having similar temperature and pressure. Means देखो ये example N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. N2 के आगे 1 मोल 1 वॉल्यूम है, ये 3 वॉल्यूम एंड 2 वॉल्यूम. इसमें हम वॉल्यूम बोलेंगे, मोल नहीं बोलेंगे, बिकॉज Gay-Lussac's law. In that we are full talking about volumes. 1 volume of nitrogen, its ratio is 1 ratio 3. 1 gem 3. 3 volumes of H2 gas is there. And it is providing the product as a 2 volumes of NH3. Means they are interconnected, and as we give the temperature, तो क्या होगा, प्रेशर will also increase. They are directly proportional to each other. This is the law of Gay-Lussac's law. The same ratio should be same. We cannot write that 1 gem, 2 gem, 3. Then it will be in form of 1 gem of nitrogen and 2 gems of hydrogen, which is wrong. It is 3 volumes of hydrogen. 1 volume of nitrogen, 3 volume of hydrogen and 2 volumes of nitrogen. The ratio should remain in the same manner. Next is Avogadro law. इसमें क्या है, constant है कौन, temperature and volume. Gases will have equal volumes of molecule. There should be constant temperature and volume. Then the equal volume of gases will have equal number of molecules. For example देखो यहाँ पे same दिया, constant है temperature and pressure. That time 1 mole you are getting 2 mole. Equal number of molecules you will get half of 1 molecule. That is Avogadro law. Atomic mass unit में क्या होता है, it is the mass of 1/12 of the atom of a carbon atom. It is denoted by Cl. Unified mass. Since mass of one carbon atom is 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 25 gram for unified mass, 1/12 of, इसमें मास दिया हुआ है 1/12 ऑफ द 1 एटम ऑफ अ कार्बन. ठीक है, 1 एटम ऑफ अ कार्बन. तो फिर अगर एक का मास इतना है तो हमें 1/12 का कितना होगा, इंटू करना पड़ेगा. तो हमें मिल जाएगा इतना आंसर. 14 इज इक्वल टू 1.66 इंटू 10 raised to 24 grams. Next is for molecular mass. It is the sum of atomic mass of element present in a molecule. Means molecular mass जैसे CH4 है तो कार्बन एटॉमिक मास इज 12. 6 is atomic number and 12 is atomic mass. 1 atomic mass for 4 hydrogen into 4 we will do. This is the molecular mass. उसी तरीके से आप H2O का भी निकाल सकते हो. That this you try yourself, molecular mass. उसके बाद next है mole. It is the amount of substance which contain as many atom as 12 gram of C12 isotopes of is containing. Mole यानी very small substance. Amount of substance which contains as many atoms as 12 grams. 12 ग्राम बोलेंगे तो इसमें जितने मोल्स ऑक्यूपाई होंगे that is only the moles. Isotopes of, for a since mass of 1 atom of C12 is इतना. See, for the statement we can understand that एक एटम अगर कार्बन का हो तो उसका मास कितना है, 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams. So 12 gram of hydrogen having number of atoms, what we will do, 12 by 1.99 into 10 raised to 26, we will get the 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That is mole of one molecule. Next is molar mass. What is it? When mass of 1 mole of substance expressed in gram is said to be molar mass. ठीक, 1 mole of substance को express ग्राम में करेंगे, that is molar mass. Limiting reagent, it is a chemical reaction. ये सारी definitions है जो आपको learn करनी है. Simple read करो, उसको understand करके याद तो ही याद रहेगी. Limiting reagent, it is a chemical reaction. The reagent which is consumed earlier and affected the further reaction is said to be limiting reagent. Consume हो गया है, लेकिन reaction is further reaction is said to be limiting reagent. Right? That is limiting reagent. The reagent which is responsible for restriction in further production in a reaction is said to be limited reagent. See here, the reagent which is available in excess in a reaction is said to be excess reagent. Limiting यानी पता है limited चीज़ बोलते हैं, that is limiting reagent. That is required, but now it is not. That is limiting reagent, and excess means ज़्यादा amount में है. That is excess reagent. अब यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल देके रखा है, यहाँ पे 6 मोल है, वो है लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. दिस इज एक्सेस रिएजेंट. उसी तरीके से दूसरा है डेफिनेशन एम्पेरिकल फार्मूला, जिसके अंदर फिक्स्ड रेशियो नहीं होता है कोई एटम का. कंपाउंड में फिक्स्ड रेशियो नहीं होता, दैट इज एम्पेरिकल फार्मूला. मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला, कंसिडर एटम्स फिक्स्ड रेशियो में रहेगा, दैट इज मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला. एंड द empirical formula mass is n is equal to molar mass by empirical formula. अभी ये definitions you write down in your notebook. When we will solve the empirical formulas questions, you will get to know what and where we have to use these terms. Okay, thank you.